Okay, for today's lesson, we're going to do one of the trickier parts of long division. It's long division when you get a repeating decimal answer. And you often see this on a calculator. It looks like something like this. 3.66666666667. You'll see an answer like that on a calculator or something similar. So let's quickly just make one up here. Let's go 3 into 11. So we're taking the number 11 divided by 3. Let's move this right up to the top so we have room to work. Okay, we're going to skip this step because in the previous video I showed you what to do, doing how many times does 3 go into 1? It doesn't. So we did 0 times 3 is 0, minus sign, 1 down there, just drop the 1 down. We're still at 11, so we're going to skip that step in here. Show you a little trick. How many times does 3 go into 11? It goes 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. Let's change the color here. Let's go something really bright. Let's go red. Put the 0 in there. Put your decimal in, like I said in my previous video. Drop the 0 down. 20. How many times does 3 go into 20? The answer would be 6. 6 times 3 is 18. And watch what happens here. We got another 2 here. If I put a 0 here again, we drop it down. It's going to be another 20, just like we had here. It's going to keep repeating. And once that happens, we can do it one more time. Let's put a 6 in here. 6 times 3, 18. Still 2. See how this part is exactly the same? So this here is identical to this part right here. So once you get the answer, all you do is you give it a little hat. Put a line over the top of the part that repeats. So the answer would be 3.66. If you want to get really fancy, you can look at this 6 here and know that let's change the color to white. The 6 here is closer to 10, so that's bringing in your rounding skills. 6 is closer to 10, so that means this digit, the 10th, goes up by 1. So you could also put 3.67, and sorry, that would be the 100th goes up by 1. This is closer to 10, so this would go up to a 7, and you could also put that. So either with a hat like this would be correct, or rounded like that would also be correct.